Fix-It Mortgage by Advisors Mortgage Group helps you purchase a home as is and at the cost of renovations. You can even refinance an existing loan with today's low interest rate and include the cost to repair or remodel. Sally's dream home needed a new septic system. Fix-It Mortgage provided Sally the loan to buy the home as is and included the cost for a new septic. You can buy it, fix it, and love it. Alex and Sarah were expecting. Fix-It Mortgage helped them refinance, adding 865 square feet for a nursery. Refinance your mortgage with today's low interest rates and make those improvements. You can keep it, fix it, and love it. Jim Ragan's 33 years of renovation financing experience will help you get the money you need. Call Jim's personal cell number 732-865-1456. That's 732-865-1456. You'll be glad you did. Jim is licensed in New Jersey, Delaware, and Maryland. NMLS number 759362. Advisors Mortgage Group is licensed by the New Jersey Department of Banking and Insurance, NMLS number 33041. Equal housing opportunity.